Does the thought of organizing your home feel overwhelming? What if we told you it could be as easy as spending just 5 minutes a day? Today we're diving into a game-changing routine that's going to transform your space and your life, the 5-minute daily organizing routine. Let's jump right in. Kick off your day with a simple task, making your bed. It instantly makes your room look more put together and gives you an immediate sense of accomplishment. Plus, it's just nice to peel back those covers at the end of the day. Next, set a timer for 1 minute and pick a spot. It could be your nightstand, a section of your kitchen counter, or your desk. You'll be amazed at what you can achieve in just 60 seconds. Do this in a different spot every day. Deal with the mail. Now, take a moment to sort through any new mail. Recycle junk immediately and have a designated spot for bills or letters that need attention. This prevents piles from growing and keeps important documents from getting lost. The 2-minute declutter. This is where the magic happens. Dedicate 2 minutes to decluttering. Today it might be a drawer, tomorrow a shelf. You're not just tidying, you're deciding what really deserves your space. Finally, spend a minute to reflect on what you've accomplished and plan for tomorrow. It could be as simple as noting down the next spot to declutter or reminding yourself to donate items you've set aside. The 5-minute daily organizing routine keeps your home looking great without feeling like a chore. Remember, consistency is key, and a little bit each day adds up to a lot over time. If you find yourself needing a bit more space as you declutter, consider Arco storage for clean, safe, and secure storage solutions. Perfect for those items you just can't part with but need to store away. Check out the link in the description to see how Arco storage can help you.